Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best bike conversion kit with battery is probably one of the most exciting and practical upgrades you can make to your bicycle, transforming it into an electric-powered marvel that can conquer hills and extend your riding range with ease, offering a sustainable and fun alternative to traditional transportation and opening up a world of new cycling possibilities for commuters and recreational riders alike. Number 5. BAFANG Mid-Drive Electric Bike Conversion Kit. This comprehensive kit includes most essential electric bike accessories to help you build your dream e-bike. You can choose optional parts like the battery and display to customize it further. Designed to fit most bicycles, it seamlessly integrates with various bottom bracket sizes. It's perfect for enhancing your mountain bike, city cycle, or recumbent trike. Experience incredible torque and speed, effortlessly conquering any terrain. With multiple riding modes, it adapts to your every need, making hill climbing a breeze. Choose from a selection of advanced displays to tailor your e-bike experience. Some options even allow you to modify motor parameters directly through the display or a mobile app. It's compatible with a range of 48V and 52V electric bike batteries. Ensure your chosen battery has a compatible connector for a seamless setup. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive package with most necessary accessories, making it a convenient choice for DIY enthusiasts. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with a wide range of bicycles. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile conversion that includes almost everything you need to get started, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 miles on a single charge. Installation was straightforward, taking less than an hour with the included instructions. The motor provides ample power, easily handling steep hills and maintaining a good speed. Number 4. BAFANG BBS02750W, Mid-Drive Bike Conversion Kit. This kit is designed to fit a wide variety of bikes, including mountain and road bikes. It's made to fit standard bottom brackets, ensuring broad compatibility for your conversion project. Experience exhilarating rides with its powerful motor, delivering impressive torque for effortless hill climbing and high speeds. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys cycling, from enthusiasts to family members. Installation is made easy with included guides and videos. Choose from multiple riding modes to suit your preference, and enjoy a fun, eco-friendly commute without traffic worries. This comprehensive kit includes the motor, controls, display, and all essential accessories for a complete e-bike conversion. Everything you need is right here. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated North American service center. We offer technical support and maintenance for any quality issues within the first year. What we like. This option boasts broad compatibility with various bike types and features a robust motor for tackling hills and high speeds. The included installation video and manual make setup straightforward. If you prioritize ease of installation and a dependable motor for diverse riding conditions, this kit is an excellent consideration. What people say. The kit is easy to install and the battery lasts a long time. The motor is powerful and provides a smooth ride. The display is clear and easy to read, showing speed, distance, and battery level. Number 3. BAFANG G02048V500W Front Hub Motor E-Bike Conversion Kit. Easily transform your bicycle into an electric bike with this cost-effective conversion kit. Installation is straightforward, and we provide all the necessary guidance. Choose from 4 distinct riding modes to suit your needs. Enjoy leisurely rides with electric assist, get some exercise, or simply use it as a regular bike. Experience a powerful and stable ride with its 500W front hub motor. It's designed for efficiency and enhances your cycling comfort, perfect for various bike types. Reach speeds of up to 40 km/h with excellent efficiency. The brake levers are designed to safely cut off motor power for reliable stopping. This kit includes most essential accessories for a complete setup. Everything you need to get your e-bike conversion up and running is included. Trust in BAFANG's commitment to quality. Our accessories are designed to exceed your expectations and unlock the full potential of your electric bike. What we like. This front hub motor kit is designed for straightforward installation and offers a stable drive system, ideal for touring and commuting. It provides a cost-effective way to electrify your ride. If you're seeking an economical and user-friendly conversion that enhances comfort for daily rides, this is a great pick. What people say. The kit was easy to install and the battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 miles on a single charge. The motor provides smooth and powerful assistance, making hills feel flat and significantly reducing the effort needed to pedal. The display is clear and provides useful information such as speed, distance, and battery level. Number 2. BAFANG BBS02B750W, Mid-Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. Introducing the BAFANG BBS02B750W, Mid-Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. It's designed to give you a better riding experience at a lower cost, with significantly more power than a pre-built e-bike. This quiet, smooth, and powerful motor is easy to install and offers impressive torque. It can easily handle hills with any weight and reach speeds well over 31 miles per hour on flat roads, making it ideal for seniors and cyclists. Installation is straightforward with many helpful online videos and a clear manual. The unique 4-mode switching allows it to adapt to various cycling scenarios. This kit includes most essential accessories like the motor, brake levers, throttle, chainring, crank, LCD display, and more. You can easily order a compatible battery and charger separately to complete your setup. Join the e-bike revolution with this efficient and smooth conversion kit. Transform your ride, reduce commute times, and save on fuel and parking fees. It's universally compatible with most bikes, including mountain, road, and cargo bikes. This kit is designed to fit standard bottom brackets, ensuring a perfect fit for your bicycle. What we like. This mid-drive kit offers exceptional compatibility across various bike types and delivers powerful, reliable performance with impressive torque. Its unique 4-mode switching adapts to numerous cycling scenarios. If you desire a versatile conversion that can handle diverse terrains and riding preferences, this kit is a strong contender. What people say. The kit was easy to install and the battery life is excellent, lasting for over 50 miles on a single charge. The motor provides smooth and powerful assistance, making hills feel flat and greatly extending my cycling range. The display is clear and easy to read, showing speed, distance, and battery level accurately. Number 1. BAFANG 48V500W Front Hub E-Bike Conversion Kit. Experience thrilling acceleration and powerful torque with this front hub motor. It's designed for both e-bike conversion enthusiasts and daily commuters, offering impressive speeds and a quiet, waterproof operation. Easily transform your existing bike into an electric powerhouse. This kit fits bikes with 100mm front dropouts and supports various brake types, making it perfect for versatile, all-weather commuting. Upgrade your cycling experience in minutes. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation, providing a hassle-free solution for enhanced performance. Tailor your riding experience with a choice of premium displays. Monitor your speed, battery, and assist levels in real time for smarter, safer rides. This motor offers flexible battery options, compatible with various 48V and 52V electric bike batteries. Ensure your battery has a compatible XT60 connector for a seamless connection. What we like. This front hub motor kit delivers impressive speed and torque with a quiet, waterproof design, perfect for both enthusiasts and daily riders. It's universally compatible with standard front dropouts and offers an intelligent PAS system. If you want a powerful, easy-to-install front hub conversion for all-weather commuting and enhanced cycling performance, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit is easy to install and the battery lasts a long time. The motor is powerful and makes climbing hills a breeze. The display is clear and shows all the important information. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.